Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're gonna be making my face mask.
Side of moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. Usually on the star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged, and you cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one you'll talk about, but don't have to change what you talk it out. So how many times will you pick up your pedals till ain't nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell. And on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart. Torn apart. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. Yeah. Love is such a strong vocabulary, I mean everything that's really imaginary can seem really, you know, you sort of deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never can, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never opened. So take some time to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to. Don't let them stop you from blooming. Questions and all they assuming. Even the dark side of moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. Usually on the star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged, and you cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one.
And before I got in the shower, I wanted to show you guys the texture of it dry. It is almost completely dry. Right here is just a little bit damp, and it's been like maybe 10 minutes. So I didn't really show you guys before of my face, but here is an after. This is after I did my skincare routine and all. I do have a little breakout going on down here on my chin, so I'm gonna keep using the mask and see how that clears up over the weeks. All right, welcome back. We are going to see if we can perfect this face mask in this video, so let's go ahead and do that. I have the recipe on my phone as per usual.
Vocabulary, I mean everything that's really imaginary can seem really, you know, you sort of deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never can, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never opened. So take some time to don't compromise you, 'cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to don't compromise you, 'cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to. Don't let them stop you from blooming. Questions and all they assuming. Even the dark side of moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. You're the young star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged, and he cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one he'll talk about, but don't have to change what you talk it out. So how many times will you pick up your pedals till ain't nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell, and on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart.
Okay guys, so it's safe to say that I think I've perfected this recipe. Y'all, I can't move my face. I cannot move my face. This is literally the same effect I would have if I used like a teeny mask. I can't believe I perfected that recipe. Well, it's not perfected. I still have to adjust the measurements, but yeah. But now I'm about to go in the shower and get this bad boy off and do my skincare routine. Ooh, I get to try out my oil again, period. I think I'm probably just gonna end the video like this, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. I'm trying to talk and I can't even take myself seriously right now. Like, I want to bust out laughing, but yeah, that is all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.